giving them some power. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, a little smell out of them.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High.
Oh wow. Yep. That's a pretty cool amp rack style. Okay, I'm gonna go look on the other side too. Whoa, that's a pretty good idea. That's to put things on. So what is your name and what all's in here?
Name's Chris, and 3500, 3500's in here. 96 amp hours, batteries, 2 of those, and these are VXF 15s.
Okay. This is a really, like it seems, I bet you it's really efficient. That's a lot of power for each sub too.
Yeah, apparently, I tried pushing them and they like them.
Really? Okay.
They're not.
So 1 amp strat or 1 amp gain matched on each.
They are 1 ohm. 1 ohm each.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you build the box?
I built the box. It took me 3 days and a lot of sanding.
Oh yeah.
Haven't painted it yet.
Okay.
Haven't decided on a
Yes, sir.
color.
Do you know the tuning, cubic space or anything?
35.
Okay.
I can do a 30. Yeah, I can do a 35. Do 150 at 35 hertz.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah. I want to target lower, but
Yeah.
it's acceptable.
Yes, sir. All right. And what's your alternators or alternator?
Stock alternator.
Really?
I have
Okay.
one, but it's not installed because the bearings have gone out.
Uh-oh. Okay. Have you done any kind of clamp power just to kind of carry us on it?
No, that was the next step.
Okay.
I've only done so much. I'm still kind of scared to push it all the way.
Oh yeah. Have you considered mounting the subs regular? Or you like them inverted?
They look better. They look cool.
They do look nice with the motors out. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Thanks for the info. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. All right. Windows down better, probably.
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High.
what is your name?
Name is Chris.
Chris. Awesome. And thanks for the demo, Chris. Nice to meet you.
No problem.
Yep, appreciate the demo. That was great. For a no-wall, yeah, a little smell out of him.